Hello students. Now we are going to solve question number 5th of exercise number 8.4. And in this question we have to prove the identities and the angles used or involved in this question all are acute angles. Clear? Students, इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस को हम तीन अलग अलग टाइप से भी प्रूव कर सकते हैं. जैसे सपोज कभी हम चलेंगे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को सॉल्व करेंगे और राइट हैंड साइड लेके आएंगे, कभी हम राइट हैंड साइड को सॉल्व करेंगे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लेके आएंगे, कभी हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड दोनों को अलग अलग सेपरेट सॉल्व करेंगे और दोनों की वैल्यू को सेम शो कर देंगे. ठीक है, तो वी आर मूविंग इन द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. ओके, एंड द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Here we will take LHS. LHS is equal to cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Students, you all know cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta and cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. So here we write 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta whole square. Got it? Now taking LCM we will get sin theta and here 1 minus cos theta. आप सभी LCM लेना जानते हो, ठीक है? तो 1 minus cos theta upon 1 upon sin theta whole square. Here we can write 1 minus cos theta whole square upon sin square theta. Clear? Sin theta whole square, that means sin square theta. Students, आप सभी आइडेंटिटीज जानते हो, हमने आइडेंटिटीज पढ़ा है. पहले फर्स्ट आइडेंटिटी क्या थी? cos स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. क्लियर? सो साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 एंड साइन स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू वी कैन राइट 1 माइनस cos स्क्वायर थीटा. सो 1 माइनस cos थीटा whole square upon 1 minus cos square theta. Clear? Now here you can write sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now in the next step what we do, 1 minus cos theta whole square can be written as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta whole upon 1 minus cos square theta. It is in the form of a square minus b square. So what is the formula of a square minus b square? A minus b, a plus b. Okay, so we can write here 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. Here you can write a square minus b square is equal to a minus b and a plus b. Now see, from the numerator and denominator we can cancel out 1 minus cos theta. Okay, so what is remaining? 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta, which is we have to prove. Okay, so see, in the right hand side 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta, so we can write here RHS and hence proved. So students, in this way you can solve or you can prove the given identities. So pause the video to be noted down. Now students, we are solving second part of question number 5th. In this question we have given cos a upon 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a upon cos a. Clear? So students, again we will take here left hand side. So left hand side is equal to cos a upon 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a upon cos a. What we do next? We will take LCM. So LCM is 1 plus sin a and cos a. When we divide this LCM by the denominator, we will get the quotient cos a, and this quotient cos a will be multiplied to the numerator. So we will have cos square a plus cos a cancel, 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a whole square. Clear? 1 plus sin a whole square, that is in the form of a plus b whole square. So here we will write cos square a plus 1 plus sin square a plus 2 sin a whole upon 1 plus sin a into cos a. Clear? Students, we have learned that sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. It is our first identity. So in place of these two, we will write 1 plus this 1 plus 2 sin a whole upon 1 plus sin a into cos a. Clear? Now here you can write sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Now 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 sin a upon 1 plus sin a into cos a. Clear? Now here 2 plus 2 sin a. From the numerator we can take 2 common. So what we have? 2 common. 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a upon 1 plus sin a as it was into cos a. So this 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a will be cancelled out. So what is remaining? 2 upon cos a, and 2 upon cos a is mean 1 upon, we can write in this way, 2 upon cos a means 2 into 1 upon cos a. Clear? Now 1 upon cos a is equal to sec a. So we have 2 sec a is equal to RHS. यही हमको प्रूफ करना था. We can write here, hence proved. Clear? So students, in this way you can solve any identities if you have learned 3 identities, that is sin square a plus cos square is equal to 1, second one sec square is equal to 1 plus tan square a, and third one 1 plus cot square is equal to cosec square a. Apart from these identities, you should have in the knowledge of a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus b square. Clear? So students, pause the video to be noted down.